Hello guys, this is another tutorial tips actually. Sometimes you see the imported mesh is so small. You need to, every time you need to bring it from the drawer and you need to scale it manually from the left side. You see, the scale is not proper every time because of the scale is default. So you need to go to the double click on the mesh and then go to find the LOD, find the LOD section, LOD 0, find this one, LOD, this one, the LOD 0, and then go to the build setting. You find the LOD from the LOD picker LOD and build setting. You see the build setting, and I find the build scale. You see the build scale on the cursor, build scale. It's 111. So you just change the value and then you just save it. Just save it. Okay, you see suddenly your mesh is in proper size. You see this one and this one. So this is proper size. And you bring the other one. So this one is 1 size, which is not appropriate. You do it again. You double click on the mesh and then find the LOD section and the build setting. You find the build scale. Do the proper scaling 444 and you save it. And suddenly it's scaled. So this tips is very handy, very effective, very appropriate for the Unreal users. So you can do it and the Unreal will remain your mesh on that scale.